Welcome, and today we'll see replica count transformer. So what does replica count transformer do? So there is two resources, that is deployment, and one more, that is the stateful set. So in these two replicas properties are used. One more means replica set is also there, but we won't use much of them because replica in deployment we are using. And in a stateful set it is similar with the little changes. So we look for the deployment. So we will create here the replica is one. So sometime more replicas you need. Suppose for the dev of dev, it's okay that you have one replica, but if some production, if it want the three replicas, then what you will do, you will create a customization.yml file, and in customization.yml file, you have to give this resource. So whatever the resources you want, means you want to apply, just first give the resources. Here I'm creating a deployment file, deployment. So deployment and then replicas. So where you need to change replicas name, and why the name properties has come, because suppose at the same time you want to apply to the means there is a one more file, that is the stateful set. Okay, suppose here is a stateful set full dot stateful set dot yml. Okay, and or some other deployment. So how it came come to know that we are applying replicas to this file. So there is a name property, and from that name property it identifies the deployment, and from that deployment it increase or decrease the count. So count is now 3. I'll took 3. So just come to the killer coda. In killer coda, we'll create a directory neo. There we'll create a file where the replicas is one. So I'll create a customization.yml file, and there we need to create this file, resources, and resources is GPL, and this is the whatever the deployment name too. So okay, customize current directory. We are in the current directory. So here now we'll see the replicas is 3. Now I'll apply the same. So just pass this to the k apply hyphen f. You can directly apply with the k apply hyphen k near the current directory. But here you cannot able to see what the customize has done to your file. So better if you do that customize and then you apply. Sorry. So replica count means let's get the deployment. So here you will see 3 out of 3 is ready. K get RS. You will see this 3 is there. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet in another episode.